Hey guys, we're back on YouTube. It's been a minute. I had a lot of school, so I wasn't able to really film too much for the shop, but now that I'm back, I can film a lot more and hopefully produce a good amount of videos this summer. But we got this really nice 69 Camaro that came into the shop, and it already had a LS swap in it, but the guy said that it wasn't spinning the tires or burning rubber like how he wanted, so we added the turbo. So here's the car. So this is the 1969 Camaro that we got at the shop. It's a Camaro SS, all numbers matching car, and dude, this thing is beautiful in pictures and in person. It's such a nice car, you know. The interior is still original door panels, original wood grain steering wheel, not original gauge clusters though. It has I think these are Dakota Digitals, don't quote me on that. But it does have a B&M shifter on it as well. But it's an automatic with an LQ4 Gen 3 6.0 swap with 317 heads, ARP head studs, an on 3 turbo kit. So the owner of the vehicle brought us a turbo kit and got it powder coated as well. And it came out pretty nice. It matches the car. We also equipped it with the VS Racing 7875 turbo. And the owner also got this thing powder coated, so it looks pretty neat. So he wanted it to match with the stripe, and since the stripe is white, turbo's white. Makes sense. This also has an HBF custom grind cam, an HBF transmission, Bosch 210 injectors, a Magna Fuel 750 fuel pump, and E85. And this thing gets down according to Frank. And you'll see in some clips coming up that it rips. I mean, like, it lit up the back tires like nothing. But here's a little showing of the fuel cell it has. Well, I wouldn't say fuel cell, but fuel tank with the AN line going to the fuel pump. But it came out really clean. Oh, we finna dyno this truck real quick, but let me finish up on the Camaro. So Fabian put this together. He did a really great job as always. You know, dude always knows how to work on cars, and not only that, but he's really meticulous about the stuff he does. He really pays attention to detail, and man, I mean, look, even the coil pack wires. What? He made sure none of them touched anything, and it just looks so neat. He did another great job though. Man, dude's super cool. But we're gonna throw it on the dyno and we're gonna see what it does, and hopefully it puts up some good power numbers. So the car performed really well. You might be wondering, why hasn't the car moved? It's because I forgot to record an intro for this video, so my apologies. But the car did really good, made 700, and according to Frank, it rode really good on the street. So it's just a fun overall car, Frank said, and I don't blame him, man. This thing's pretty badass. Alright guys, the Camaro's done. We're going to be dynoing this single turbo white Silverado. All I know is that it should make some pretty decent power. I mean, the turbo is pretty large. Yeah, look, that's for size difference. It's bigger than my hand. So it should be pretty good. We'll see what it makes. So the truck's having this weird misfire, but Mr. Caesar and Mr. Ricky are taking care of it. We're trying to see what it is. We are checking spark plugs and things like that, and it didn't seem to fix the issue. So now we're going to go ahead and change out injectors and see if that fixes the issue. Hopefully it does, and we can narrow down to what's going on. This truck's making good power. It's just it keeps breaking up around, I think, 15 pounds a boost around there. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully the injector problem is fixed. Well, at least we can pinpoint where the problem is coming from, where it's breaking up. So the truck's still having issues, but Caesar said he's getting down to find out where the root of the problem is. At least he has a pretty good idea. But while he was doing this, we had a very, very, very cool car come up. This black Corvette. It's a clean ass C5 Corvette. And it's getting dropped off, and we're doing some pretty cool stuff to it. So if you want to stay updated, keep watching the videos, because I will be probably doing a build series over this car and all the work we do, minus the damn airplane. But yeah, man, this car, insane. And next to this car, that's also insane. So I'm excited for this one. So I'll definitely be making videos over it. So stay tuned on this one. I'm not going to tell y'all what we're doing to it, but it's pretty badass. So that's how I'm gonna leave it. But yeah, man. Anyway, we'll get back to the truck. How'd the truck do?
Badass.
You can't say that on YouTube. Oh. I'm putting that in the video because you cursed. Truck made 885.
You round that up, 900.
How many pounds, Frank?
15.
15?
15.
Tell him stop playing. Tell him.
Stop playing, Frank. Tell him.
They know the deal. They know who to come to. We make it happen.
Oh.
That's a man over there.
Horsepower.
Oh.
That's big man over there.
They call it horsepower factory for a reason. We give you the horsepower.
That's the box right here.
Yeah. Come see me. I'll schedule that too for you.
Oh.
And the parts.
Hey, what about that special camshaft we got, Frank?
Oh yeah, you gotta come see me to get that HPS. That camshaft in the closet.
Oh, that's a good deal right there. I've been through that one.
You speak through experience?
Yeah. Badass. Recommend it.
How's that chop?
No. Right.
How? That's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos coming up since I am gonna be here. So stay on the lookout for that Corvette, though. I'm telling you, it won't disappoint. And also, we got Caesar's Fox. Don't forget that car. That car's gonna be badass as fuck. So be ready for it. We'll catch you in the next video.